Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the zooming scroll function in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the settings section, click on the settings button. And here at the maps section, look for the zooming scroll button. And enabling this function will allow you to scroll the map with zooming out when you long tap a NaviBridge screen. So in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.